In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat 2025, and all it takes is just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Manychat or looking to update your skills with the latest version, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to the Manychat website. You can easily find this by opening your preferred browser and typing in Manychat in the search bar. Click on the official Manychat link to access their site. Alternatively, you may use the URLs provided in the description below this video. Once you're on the Manychat homepage, it's time to sign in. Look towards the upper right hand corner of the web page where you'll spot the sign in button. Give that a click and enter your login credentials to access your Manychat account. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the Manychat homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage and access all the essential features. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming, we'll break it down step by step. Within this home dashboard, locate and click on the Home tab. The Home tab is where you'll find an overview of your ongoing campaigns and bot activities. It's the starting point for managing your Manychat account effectively. Next, we'll navigate to the Automation section of Manychat. To do this, simply locate the Automation tab on your screen. Click it, and you'll enter a space dedicated to automating your messaging sequences. Automation is integral to Manychat as it allows you to set up messages that are sent automatically, saving you time and keeping your engagement consistent. Now let's focus on creating a sequence. In the automation section, you'll find a feature called sequences. Click on this option to explore a list of your existing sequences or to create new ones. Sequences are critical for establishing a series of messages that Manychat will send out according to your specified schedule. If you don't have any sequences yet, don't worry. Let's set up a new one together. Click on New Sequence to start from scratch. At this stage, you can begin adding messages to your sequence. Tailor these messages to fit your audience and the type of engagement you want to foster. As you add messages, think about the timing and frequency of each message to optimize interaction with your subscribers. As you go through each of these steps, remember to explore the different settings and options within Manychat. This platform offers a wealth of tools that can help you craft a chatbot experience that is both effective and engaging for your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and experimenting with these features will only make you more proficient over time in leveraging Manychat's full capabilities. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to navigate Manychat 2025 and start creating automated sequences to enhance your communication strategies. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.